Today we are going to do a swan makeup. If you like to look soft and graceful, then this makeup look is for you. Hi everyone, I'm Anzeei and welcome to my channel. I do makeup and skincare. If that's your vibe, make sure to hit that subscribe button. For my base, I'm using e.l.f. Hello Glow Liquid Filter. I applied this to the high points of my face and then I blended it out with a puff. Next, I use a concealer to spot conceal my acne marks and redness. This keeps the skin looking real and breathable while still giving a flawless appearance. To lock in the base, I use a pressed powder focusing on the areas that need it. For brows, I keep everything natural but polished. I set everything in place using a Benefit brow setter for a feather clean finish. For my nose contour, I use a Hoola bronzer and start at the inner corner of my brows, blending down the sides of the nose and around the tip to create a soft button nose effect. For the eyes, I use a nude tone eyeshadow to set the lids. Then I went with a light brown shadow, blending it softly into my crease and lid. Over that, I added a dusty pink shade, blending all over the eyes for a dreamy and diffuse wash of color. To define the shape, I created a sharp, elongated wing. Then I softly lined the outer third of my lower lash line. Next, I define my inner corners for an elongated eye effect. I curled my lashes and applied the individual falsies off camera for a fluttery natural finish. To add a soft, youthful touch, I followed my natural eye bag line and drew a subtle Aegyosal. Then, I blended a shimmery pink eyeshadow over the inner corners of my eye and I highlighted the center of my Ethereal to bring more dimension. And finally, I added mascara to my lower lash line to help open up the eyes and balance the top lashes. For blush, I use a purple shade, applying it very lightly to the top of my cheeks and across the nose bridge. To blend it out, I layer a soft pink blush around the edges, creating a smooth gradient with no harsh line. I line my lips with a nude lip liner to define the shape. Then I applied the Peri Peri Ink Velvet in a soft pink shade. To finish, I tap a dewy balm onto the high points of my face for that healthy sunlight glow. Then I added a shimmer shadow to my nose bridge, tip, and inner corners of my eyes for that extra light reflection. And that's the final look. It's soft, glowy, and graceful, just like a swan. If you enjoy this look, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know what look you'd like to see me next. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!